Okay, here we've got some news here. Nearly 65% of USDC reserves are held as US Treasury bills. USDC. I do love me some USDC, but I'm hearing US Treasury involved. Let's talk about this article and I'll give you what I think about it at the end. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. You are watching, you know what you're watching, the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The best place for crypto news each and every single day. Now, let's break this down. According to Circle's most recent reserve report, around 65% of all USD Coin, which is USDC, reserves are held as US Treasury bills. Now, the Circle has been involved in this, and I'll tell you what I think about all this is what it's coming down to. Circle held 43.4 billion in USDC reserves, back 43.23 billion USDC in circulation as November 30th, 2022. Okay, back in November, all this was happening. Of these reserves, 12.79 billion lay in the Circle Reserve Fund, a registered government moneymaker, or market fund, I should say, owned by Circle, managed by BlackRock. The fund's holding including 12 US Treasury bills as of back in November 30th. And look at this happening here. Popular crypto analyst John Paul called it a win for USDC users, adding, Circle is yielding some of its control over USDC, reserved to an external manager subject to SEC regulation, which ultimately, makes USDC safer. Transparency improved too. We need transparency in cryptocurrency, since USDC users can now get regular updates from BlackRock. So we're starting to see a little bit of some improvement here, especially with the transparency, which is so valuable and important. So, and it says another 19 billion worth of USDC reserve was held as treasury bill directly by Circle as November 30th. To me, it seems like things are headed in a positive direction. Still early in the process, but I'm telling you, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. Now you've seen transparency improve, and even popular crypto analyst John called it a win for USDC holders. Now, I do own some USDC. You may able to as well in your wallet, but we need more of some of this positive thing. Still got a long way to go, but this should be a positive year for cryptocurrency, and in 2024 could be a bang. But let's go. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. You are watching, you see this, you see this, you see Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm Adam Shelton, the captain, and I'll see you on the next video.